It up there, just short. Penalty flag on the play. Now, which way will this one go? There was contact with Ajira Tutu and Alan Ball.
Pass intended.
This one might be on the offense.
Pass interference. Defense. Number 36. Ball be placed at the spot of the foul. 5-yard line. First down.
You've seen this throw a few times by Derek Anderson all night where the ball is out before anybody is looking. When his receiver turns around, the ball is right there for him to catch. And the defender hooks Tutu. And, you know, the break for the Panthers. They get inside the 5.
We'd like to thank the officiating crew tonight for that one.